Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Season 4, a hidden gem finale. Oh yeah, let's talk about those steps in a minute. Come over here, take a look at the begonias, blackwood mulch. Oh yeah, you know these are old and ground solar lights. What do we have here? Spider webs. Yep, can't stand them. I'll do something about it. Just like I did something about the theft of my lights. Put a camera up finally. It was needed. Oh yeah, I really like it. So I'll end the season the way it began. Cut the grass, edge, trim, green grass. Didn't look this good at the beginning, did it? Over here, chrysanthemums. All right, guys, in their defense, they were doing well, extremely well. What happened? Too much water. So some of this stuff that looks a little dead, I'll cut it. But yeah, chrysanthemums, they love sun. You don't need a whole lot of water. So I'll cut stuff like this, trim it. And then over here, I'll do the same thing. I'll cut some of the salvia, some of the dead stuff, rose bushes. Oh yeah, these salvias, they're resilient, strong. They love sun. My concrete steps, I think they turned out very good. Very good. Should have added a sealer. Okay, let's talk about them. You see this strip? Let me tell you what happened. So I went to add the second coat, okay? The rise and run. I put a strip of tape there, tape here, put the second coat down. So what happened, I pulled up this tape and it left a bad mark, so to speak, okay? So I tried to add some more top and bond, just like before, just didn't turn out good. So this is why it's like this. I still like the results. So what do we have here? A little crack. That's not good. You know, a third coat would have done the trick. I'll keep that in mind for next year. Still turned out well. This top area, only one coat. Less water. Here, much more water. Like I said, I'll add that sealant next year and put plastic down after I'm done. Well, brought them back. Didn't work out the way I would have liked or hoped. Wasn't their fault. Can't control the rain. We'll see. However, I am in favor of changing the annuals mid-season. So this is going to be easy. Just taking my little cutters here and they'll do all the work for me. Try to liven these things up, you know what I mean? As a reminder, you get what you pay for. These things were $1 a piece, but when it's late August and you're looking for something, this is what they offer. Anyway, okay, I'll do some trimming over here, salvias, rose bushes. Let's get to it. Heads up, guys, I won't be bringing back the Petulicas. They're fine, but I didn't realize they get this big, and they kind of took away from the salvias. I don't think I'll perform any maintenance on the rose bushes. These are okay, I guess. They're all right over there. You know, they got more water, so they've been blooming. All right, that one needs some work. Whole lot better. Took care of those 2 rose bushes, the salvias. I have to do those 2. I'll get it done. Pulled some bad stuff out. Here are the results. Bag that stuff up as soon as you can. You don't want it blowing back into your grass. Creates weeds. It's just more work. Anyway, you see that third rose bush? Didn't realize it had a long weed growing out of it, so I got it out of there. What's next? I guess I'll do some cutting, trimming, and edging. If you're interested in purchasing the Power Smart, I rated it a C-. Best I could do. I'd like to thank the subscribers, everybody who watched, left comments. Even if you didn't leave a comment, that's okay. I appreciate you watching. New subscribers, old ones. We're almost at 600. Really appreciate that. All right, let's move on. Here's a cheat code. Got something for the mosquitoes. You know they can get bad during the summer. Cutter, Backyard bug control. 12 weeks. I don't know about 12 weeks, but it's pretty good. I know it says backyard bug control. Don't worry. You can use it in the front. No one's coming to get you. You'll be okay. Let me explain why I'm using this. You see the pile of mulch over there? City comes, dumps it. So I got hot the other day. There were mosquitoes everywhere. Looked like a horror movie. This is it, guys. Season 4, a hidden gem, front yard playlist. That's a wrap. Green grass. I remember the last 3 years, 20, 21, 22. Fertilizer, digging, weed and feed. Just needed water. By the way, next year, no political commentary with the lawn videos. I'll separate it. Oh, the camera, it's gone. Don't like the features. Quality is horrible. All these bees. Can you see them? Can you see it? It's bothering me. Don't want to get stung. You know that bug control is good for mosquitoes. Does nothing for bees. Anyway, I'm grateful, guys. My lights were stolen. It prompted me to put up the camera. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Someone could have gone through my windows, and there's no telling what would have happened after that. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.